Set on 60 peaceful acres with rolling meadows, shaded woodlands, and a cascading brook, this Vermont farmstead feels like stepping into another era. Known as Sweetwood Farm and dating back to 1894, this beautifully maintained extended cape blends historic charm with a deep connection to the surrounding landscape. Bedroom, ideal for guests or convenient single-level living. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms provide peaceful retreats filled with natural light and countryside views. A thoughtfully designed addition enhances daily life with a mudroom entry, a welcoming family room featuring built-in desks and bookcases, and access to a private stone-accented patio and garden, perfect for quiet mornings or relaxed outdoor gatherings. Beyond the home, the property invites exploration and creativity. A large antique barn adds history and endless possibilities, whether for animals, equipment, studio space, or hobbies. A two-car garage with workshop and storage above, plus an additional single-car garage, provide flexibility for projects and storage needs. Rolling meadows, shaded trails, and the gentle sound of the brook create an environment ideal for homesteading, recreation, or simply enjoying nature. Protected land use status helps preserve the property's beauty while supporting responsible stewardship. Sweetwood Farm offers a rare opportunity to embrace privacy, heritage, and the authentic Vermont lifestyle in an extraordinary natural setting.